if they are not required. And that complete movement can be managed through the record management system. OmniFlow Business Process Management System is a tool using which you can automate any process, be it of any complexity. Using the process modeling tool, you can collaboratively design the process using a drag and drop kind of interface. You can create various validations, exceptions, routing rules using which the documents or the content will be processed. Then the simulation engine helps you to test those processes in actual scenarios. There are standard adapters for integration with third-party systems using web services, JMS, APIs. Using the rule engine, you can define various business rules on basis of which the application or a content will be processed. Then using BAM, you can view in real time how the system is performing, what is happening in the system, how many applications has been processed, how many requests have been granted, and finally the content can be archived into a document management system. So this is a graphical modeler using which the processes can be designed. It is available both in thick client and thin client mode. Then the form builder, using which you can define forms which act as an interface of the user. You can define various validations, calculations, even fetch data from other sources based on various parameters. Then the rule engine. Using the rule engine, you can expose the rules as web services or JSR 94 based APIs.